echo. My life is a party, my home is the club. I party like a rock star, dance until I drop. My life is a party.
GreatRedSun, and welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a PC wallpaper just like this one that I'm showing on the picture. And guys, before I start this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel if you want more content. And without further ado, let's begin. So first of all, what you're gonna do is open up Photoshop, and on File I'm gonna click on New, and I'm gonna set the settings to 920 per 1080, and these are the settings that you want to do. So click on OK, and you'll have this blank background. The first thing that you gotta do, go to File, Open, and as you can see over here at Downloads, I have multiple pictures. So the first one I'm gonna do is number 4, and as you can see, this is the first thing. You can see that our main project and the picture are two separate files. So in order to make this file copy paste on this one, Control A and C on your keyboard and press Control V, and that will paste your image onto the current document that we're doing. So we have this guy walking around, and the next thing that we're gonna do, this is not just gonna be it. Open, and I have this other background. We're gonna do the same thing, Control A and C and Control V to paste. And as you can see, first of all, this is super ugly, okay? And in order to fix this, we're gonna right click on the image, go blending options, and over here on blend mode, we're gonna set this to lighten, or you can probably set this to screen and overlay, but I personally like screen better. And so there we have the image is spiced up a bit. In order to finish that spice up, we're gonna go once again import this image, Control A, C and Control V on your keyboard. And in order to do this, we're gonna do the same thing, blending options, and on blend mode we're gonna switch it to liner dodge add. And as you can see, we have this nice looking image. And the next thing that I'm gonna do is import my logo over here, but if I import it like this, it's gonna be ugly. So I'm going to make the yellow part transparent, while the red sun, I'm going to switch it to white, and then I'm gonna do it. So I will be back in a second. Okay guys, so I'm back, and as you can see over here, we have my logo is now completely white, but it's a little bit bigger. So in order to make it small, we're gonna go to Edit and Free Transform, and hold Shift and Alt on your keyboard and drag it. So I'm gonna make it like this. Yeah, this is nice. And the next thing that we're gonna do in order to spice up the image a bit is right click, blending options, and now we're gonna go to stroke, and we're gonna change the size to 5. And as you can see, it has these black bars on the outside of the image. And the next thing, we're gonna go to drop shadow distance, we're gonna switch it to 11, spread 19, while size will be 32. And as you can see, the image is a little bit better now. And to finish off this image, we're gonna go to the text option, select the place where you want to go, and I'm just gonna select my channel name here, GreatRedSun, and I'm gonna hit on this arrow, as you can see, and I'm gonna place it, yeah, like this. Yeah, I think this is good. And we're gonna do the exact same blending settings as we did with the image. We're gonna go right click and blending options, stroke, we're gonna set it to 5, and drop shadow the distance 11, spread 19, 19 and the size 32, and as you can see, it's the exact same blending options as the logo. So that is how to make a PC wallpaper in Photoshop CS6. And guys, just before I finish this video, there's only a couple of more weeks remaining of the school year, and the summer will also come, so I'll be starting uploading videos more regularly. But I still have a couple of exams remaining that I need to finish that on. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content, and I'll see you guys in the next video.